Hey guys! And welcome to a completely new video of Seeyouinmainstreet. And we aren't on Main Street, but we are at
Adventure Campus.
Next up is the Webslinger attraction. This attraction reminds us of Toy Story Mania, but instead of pulling a string, you have to use your wrists and make the famous Spider-Man move. As a result, you will get sore wrists. We therefore have to recover, and this is what we will do in Stark Factory. This is a counter-service restaurant with a huge amount of delicious options. From different types of pasta and pizza slices in the most diverse toppings to salads and, of course, delicious desserts.
You chose a table right over here with a beautiful view out of Avengers campus. And a look at this ginormous restaurant that used to be pirate themed. So this is a much better choice to imagineer a restaurant here. Funny fact, people outside cannot see us. They can't see us. These are one-way
windows.
One-way view windows. At least, I don't think they can see us. No, nobody responds. Okay, good. Here at Stark Factory, they use recyclable cutlery and plates, and so it's not one-time use. This is recyclable. You need to give it back to them. I'm curious how long it will take before all of those spoons and knives are in somebody else's home, because I think a lot of people will take them as a fun souvenir.
They're quite stylish.
But please don't do it! Leave it back. Give it back to Disneyland Paris. They're stylish and also very sturdy. Wow. Wow. I also just took a bite from the pizza and it tastes really good.
Lots of cheesy goodness.
It is. It's really delicious.
And those olives.
Olives on it too.
Very
Wow.
good.
Very good.
And now we're ready for dessert. And that's over here. So it's called a Thunder Cake. I haven't got a clue what it is. It looks frozen and it's defrosting right now. And well, we'll have to try it out. So I'm gonna deconstruct it because we're close to Pim's Kitchen, a laboratory restaurant. So, that's
Aha, is that ganache?
no, it's softer. Where's the ganache? Well, it's softer than ganache.
Some epic music in the background as he's eating his cake. The mighty Sven eating his thunder cake. And?
That's like some kind of pudding chocolate caramel thingy.
What kind of cake is it? Oh, it's not
not a
cake. It's sort of
it's-
liquid.
It's a sort of pudding.
Pudding.
There's a little bit of cake in the bottom, but it's gone soggy.
It's gone soggy.
It's gone soggy, but it's
Okay,
not.
It looked
not-
better when it was in one piece.
It's soggy, but not less tasteful.
If you would like to eat this too, it will cost you €5. €5 for this little piece of cake, which isn't really cake.
I was scared at the beginning because I thought it was shortcake.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was shortcake too, but I'm glad it isn't. But €5, that's a lot. And the pizza was €14, only that slice. I just ate that cake too, and I don't think it's worth it. It's basically nothing. I don't know. It is not really good. It's not €5 good. Glad we tried it, so you don't have to.
And then we came to the painful conclusion that the windows are see-through, and Sven made a complete fool of himself, and we thought that we were sitting there very privately, but we weren't, so we decided to go shopping immediately at the Webslinger attraction.
And Sven, we have found some amazing things already, right? We saw some cool things yesterday that we really want to share with you guys. It's really crowded here, so we have to squeeze in a bit. So what's the idea with this, Sven?
Well, it's a two-part system. So you have the outside part, and then you can click it with a magnet on the inside of your shirt, and you can put it on your chest, and it glows. And you have a red one, green one, blue one, or
Well,
maybe
I have
there's
the feeling that it's all the colors, but you can choose what color you want it to be in.
Yeah, it makes sense.
What I love about this is that it's a good alternative for the ears. When you want something Disney related as a man, you can turn those into some pretty sweet ears too.
But the catch is, how much does a regular pair of ears cost?
20 euros, 25 maybe.
This is 18, so if you want to have two, that's double.
It's going to be an expensive pair of Mickey ears, but it's cool though.
It's cool.
But I think it's a good alternative for men if they want to wear something Disney related, but they don't want to wear ears. And this is really, really cool.
If you have written web slingers, then you use your arms. You can get extra points if you buy one of these add-ons. You have a Iron Man one, you have a web-based power one, and you have another web slinger. Oh yeah, over here. And there's even a Doctor Strange version. So you can buy these, you can play it regularly, but if you wear it inside web slingers, you unlock certain abilities to play and get your high scores even further.
It's amazing. So, but do you consider this cheating, Sven? That's
I do consider this a little bit of cheating because the person with the biggest wallet has the highest points.
yeah.
So
It's the same as in Formula One, the one with the fastest car, the biggest budget.
the biggest budget,
They will win.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Here at Avengers Campus, they also have mugs, and you know I love Disney mugs. And it's the Quinjet, the one that is standing here on the square. It's so cool. Of course, you want to have a mug that says Avengers Campus and the Quinjet. At least I want it. Okay, but
Is it?
I didn't see it yet. I didn't see it. But the question is
it?
it dishwasher safe?
And
It's
It is?
dishwasher safe and Microsoft safe. Microwave safe. And it's 15 euros. Come on, Sven.
that's a deal.
That's a deal. Done deal. Yay, Disney mugs. And it also says Disneyland Paris. I love that too. Yeah.
So, various t-shirts, Adventure Campus, Disneyland Paris. Okay, nice. Price tag is 36 euros. Yes, there's a Adventure Spirit jersey. So let's see. Well, on the front side, Adventures logo, nice. With the back, Adventures Campus, Disneyland Paris.
It's the same as on the mug.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah, it's-
you know, it's that thick plastic rubbery,
The foamy layer.
foamy layer that's on it. This Spirit jersey, of course, as a girl you can wear it too, don't get me wrong. But I think they made this with the guy in mind. Don't you think
Yeah.
so?
But I tried on Spirit jerseys and they really not suit my. It doesn't take the best out of me.
No.
No.
You're
doesn't-
more of a polo shirt kind of guy.
I'm more kind of yeah, or a
Or a hoodie. Yeah, hoodie. It's also good on you.
hoodie or
Yeah.
a Dr. Jelly.
Oh, but that also looks good on you, Sven. Oh, Sven, don't do it. Don't do it, no. Don't go there. Don't go there. Hey, there's another mug. Wait, we have more important stuff. Here,
More mugs.
Other mugs.
Opening mug.
Ooh, now I am tempted because this is the opening one. Oh, and that one isn't dishwasher safe?
No.
So mine is, and that one isn't. Okay, in that case, I'm definitely going to choose this one because I know if I choose the one that isn't dishwasher safe, and I'm not going to use it that much, and I think that's just a waste. So
Yeah.
I'm going to choose this one.
This
it
is a summer jacket with a hood, vest.
Hey, wait, under the hood. Look under the hood.
Look under the hood. Look in the front. Oh yeah. Okay, Adventure Campus, Disneyland Paris.
A little bit hidden. Reflective fabric, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Well, that's
No.
pretty cool, actually.
No, but it isn't.
But it isn't
It's
cool.
just great.
It's not.
No, that stuff is. This
Reflective,
bag.
you
Yeah.
mean?
See
The
this?
entire bag is reflective?
Yeah, that's.
Oh wow.
It looks grey, but in a certain kind of light, it glows up.
I will put my flash on here. Now we can see it. That it's reflective. OMG. Okay, and how
Yeah.
much is that bag?
This bag, it's a small duffel bag, 30 euros. There are no inside pockets, but it feels sturdy. It's also with a hood. Adventure Campus colors. Yeah, do I like it? I like it, but not for me. And it's 65 euros.
Okay. The one thing that I really miss here in Avengers Campus are ears. Avengers ears, where are they? I can't see them anywhere. Maybe they will come, but it's a little bit strange that they have everything except for ears. They have mugs, they have shirts, they have trousers. Do they have trousers?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Well, they have a lot of stuff, yeah, merchandise around Avengers Campus with no ears, and I really miss them because that would have been awesome. But who knows, maybe in the future they will come up with some awesome design.
Time for Flight Force. This attraction is basically the same as its predecessor, Rock and Roller Coaster. But is the attraction still at least as cool as it used to be? And the graphics inside the roller coaster are also awesome. It is really good. If not even better than the original. Am I allowed to say that yet?
Well,
We have to try it again.
so Sven is looking on the app to find some information about the training center, but
Nothing?
there's
I
nothing.
think we have to go in and find out ourselves. We can at
Yeah.
least ask a cast member.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What is this all?
It's a meet and greet with superheroes.
So, okay, only for children or adults as well?
Yeah, for everyone.
Well, we just had some amazing experience because Florian gave us access to the training facility.
Yeah, and we're gonna meet
Mystery one.
a mystery
We don't know yet.
adventure.
It'll be
Yeah.
a mystery, a surprise.
So,
But welcome, you're my guest today.
okay.
Thank you
Hope
so
you
much.
enjoy.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Florian. We're going to enjoy it a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
I just asked what is going on, what should we do? And she asked, are you friends with Spider-Man or Black Widow? And I said, I don't know. We are special guests of Florian and we have no clue. And she said, oh, in that case, we'll keep it a surprise. And you can stand in that line and we'll know more later on. I'm sorry, the training center is in fact a meet and greet. What? Oh, wait, we have to choose a pose. Okay.
We were starting to get quite nervous for our meet and greet with Captain Marvel. We already started preparing our poses, but it was in vain because the special cameras that were supposed to give a really cool 3D effect were broken today. But that didn't make meeting Captain Marvel any less fantastic, because this Captain Marvel literally spoke our language.
Hi, hello.
Sven en Elise.
Ja.
En wij hebben een YouTube kanaal. En het heet Seeyouinmainstreet. En ja, daarom filmen we jou ook. Oké, ready?
Wow, all the Avengers have assembled. Well, we can.
It's already on our photo pass. We
Yeah,
don't need
but-
to grab it.
Oh no, but can we look? We have a different language.
Oh my goodness. Oh
So-
my goodness. Interviewing Captain Marvel. She's... Oh, Sven. Oh, here. Now we are here. Well,
That was impressive.
It was really impressive. I always get so nervous from the...
Well, just leave it. Just leave it.
Just leave it. Everybody can see us now. Well, that was an adventure in itself. I can highly recommend it. It's really fun. Yeah.
The all-female special forces of Wakanda perform a special act. The warriors are getting dangerously close.
Adventure Campus is beautiful during daylight, but it really shines during the night. Literally. It has such a mysterious vibe over it. Yeah, I really like it when it's dark outside.
There are so many lights shining, LED lights working. The voice of what's her name? Wednesday? No. Sunday? No. It's cool. You can hear her voice, and it's I don't know. You're right. It's a whole atmosphere. It's everything. The lights, the sounds. Hey. Well guys, these were our adventures here at Avengers Campus, and as you might have seen, we had a lot of adventures here, and yeah, some unexpected things happened thanks to Florian and Captain Marvel in especially.
Yeah, of course we will be back in Disneyland Paris and Adventure Campus.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
and if it isn't for all of the great characters that you can meet here, it will be because of that amazing ride behind us, the updated rock and roller coaster. But yeah, it's a really good experience. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to find us on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. And is there anything else you would like to add?
Well, only one thing. Maybe next time we'll see you in Main Street. Bye. This one. So the pool, 4 handles, and then with Captain Marvel you had so and so and like that one. And which one was? Oh yeah, Iron Man was like this, and oh guys, oh so embarrassing. Just practicing my superhero poses, but guys, the video's over. Go home.